Hey, good morning, guys. So I just wanted to do a quick update type video since we now know that we aren't going to be back to school this year, right? So we know that we're not going to come back to school this year. We're going to be online for the rest of the year. So after kind of we did some interesting stuff maybe at the beginning, and we've done mostly like Khan Academy and IXL. Last week I was trying something new with the Formative and the GeoGebra app. And kind of after looking at all that, looking at y'all's responses, those of you that fill out the end of the week survey, thank you. I really appreciate your feedback on that. And so, taking all that into consideration, I've decided that moving forward, we're just going to mainly be on Khan Academy and IXL. Okay, so that's kind of the most direct way. It seems like we were doing cool stuff with trying to figure math out in the classroom, and games sometimes and stuff like that. But it's really hard to simulate that at home without us all being together, right? And without me or Mr. Campana for my honors class being there to help you guys, right? Figure it out. It's a little more stressful, it seems like, when you're at home. And so I don't want that. I don't want you to be stressed at home. And we don't have to do that while you're at home. Okay, so we're just going to be looking at Khan Academy videos. If you need, here's one thing: if you need a video for something that's confusing, just shoot me an email, right? Or call me, and I can make a video for any topic extra. But it's like if these Khan Academy videos are made, we're just going to use them, and then I'll supplement them with my videos as I feel, it's needed. Okay, but you help me out with that. Okay. So I just wanted you guys to know that's kind of where we're headed. I think it'll be easiest for you to just, have the videos, do the problems, get through the material. I really encourage you to keep working. I know that it's probably not that motivated to work based on your grade, right? But remember, you'll be taking all that's into Math 3 next year. So the more you do this year, the more comfortable you'll be next year in Math 3. If you feel like you need more, okay, so for those of you that are working, you are motivated, email me. Khan Academy is a great resource. They have all kinds of topics. They have SAT prep classes, so we can get you more math if you feel like you need that. If you feel like you want to stay sharp with your skills, I totally get that. I think that's probably where I would have been in high school, was like wanting to make sure my math was up. I don't know if I would have been that way in English as much, but for math, especially if you got a math like focused career. So just let me know on that. But really just wanted to make this video to check in to let y'all know that that's kind of the plan moving forward. So if it seems a little boring, I get that, but I think it's going to be the most comfortable way for you guys to learn the material that's part of Math 2. Okay. One more thing. So I think the really fun part, like the real part that I was enjoying with this class, was making all the connections, right? Recognizing when quadratics happen in real life, when we can use probability in the real world, right? If you guys notice those things, so we're about to work on inverse variation functions, okay? If you guys notice something in real life or think about a connection in real life, I want you to let me know. And I'm going to make like a Google form that you can just always fill out. And it's like, hey, I noticed how this math relates to the real world in this way. Because that's going to help me next year, right? In my classes in the future. It'll help me kind of know some of those connections that you guys noticed, and maybe I can plan to build that in to some of my units next year. So I would really appreciate your help in that. I really appreciate you guys that are working hard. I appreciate your diligence. I want to be here to help you as much as I can. So that's kind of why I'm making this shift. And I hope that you guys are having I know that it's hard at home, but I hope that you're kind of finding good things to focus on, right? Don't just be dwelling on the negative. Find some good points and focus on that. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to hopefully seeing y'all next year. Who knows? Maybe I'll be teaching Math 3. Maybe I don't really know. I don't know what this looks like, but maybe. Who knows? So that would be cool. But I appreciate you guys, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week.